Hello everyone, I'm Jessie Su from the Mary Kay Asia Pacific Marketing Team. I'm so glad to be your MC today for our first Mary Kay Asia Pacific Clinical Solutions virtual event. Today, we have an exciting event planned for you. At the end of our event, we will have a lucky draw, so don't miss out. Last but not least, we will have a quiz after we hear from both Cheryl and Dr. Lucy. So listen up and participate for your chance to win more prizes. First, we will have a very important speaker, Cheryl Atkins Green, Mary Kay Chief Marketing Officer, to introduce a new level of dermocosmetic clinical solutions.
I'm Cheryl Atkins Green, Mary Kay Chief Marketing Officer. I'm excited to share an innovative new product launch with you, the Mary Kay Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 set. This set introduces a new level of dermocosmetic performance to the Mary Kay product portfolio. Boosting the competitiveness of Mary Kay's global product strategy is one of our highest priorities. We plan to achieve this goal in two ways. First, we're developing products that help independent beauty consultants enhance the personalized service they are able to provide their customers. Second, we're delivering a new level of product innovation that leverages and elevates our leadership in science and technology. As a global beauty leader with more than 55 years of skincare expertise, Mary Kay has taken a bold step forward with the launch of Clinical Solutions. This high science line of dermocosmetic products reflects some of the strongest clinical claims Mary Kay has ever achieved. The term dermocosmetic may be new to some of you. It describes products that are at the intersection of cosmetic beauty and skin health. Dermocosmetic products are similar to the formulas you might find in a dermatologist's office or a med spa. And now we're making them available to you and your customers. The Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 set is powered by pure, high-concentration retinol, the gold standard ingredient dermatologists recommend for adults of every age to prevent signs of visible aging you haven't seen yet, and also reverse advanced signs of aging you may already be experiencing. Did you know retinol can help you regain the collagen that your skin loses every year? It supports natural collagen and elastin, improving the appearance of collagen-depleted skin. Plus, it stimulates surface skin cell renewal so skin appears to be more as it was when you were younger. Due to the potency of pure retinol, Mary Kay partnered with dermatologists to create an 8-week retinization process to help ensure you and your customers can experience the amazing benefits of this formula, regardless of age, ethnicity, or skin type. It combines Retinol 0.5 with Calm and Restore facial milk, along with a gradual increase in application frequency to deliver proven results while helping to minimize potential skin discomfort. By working closely with customers during their retinization period, you have the opportunity to demonstrate your unrivaled service and expertise, strengthening your customers' trust and confidence in you. Based on the results we've seen in other markets, the Clinical Solutions launch has the potential to attract new customers to your business while increasing the loyalty of the men and women that you already serve. I am confident that you will make this product launch the most successful that we have ever seen in Mary Kay. Thank you for all that you do.
Thank you, Cheryl, for introducing our exciting new innovative Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 set. I don't know about everyone else, but I'm ready to take my skin to the next level with these products. Now, let's see if you were paying close attention. Here's a question on what we have just heard from Cheryl. Please answer the question that will pop up on the screen. The sales force that answers the fastest in each market will receive a prize. Are you ready? Let's go! Time's up! The correct answer is C, 0.5%. Congratulations to the winners who answered the fastest. Right after, you will hear an exclusive interview on the science behind pure high concentration retinol by Dr. Lucy Gilday, Chief Scientific Officer, and Karen Ng, Director, Marketing, Strategy and Business Integration, Malaysia and Singapore. Hi Karen, I will pass that time to you.
Hello everyone, my name is Karen Ng. I'm the Marketing Director for Mary Kay Malaysia and Singapore. Before we begin, I want to thank everyone for attending this online event to learn about clinical solutions and exciting new line of dermocosmetic products. With me today, Dr. Lucy Gilday, Mary Kay Chief Scientific Officer. She joined Mary Kay in 2017 and leads global research and development, overseeing a pipeline of new product innovation for the company. Dr. Gilday, we are excited to learn from you today about Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 set. I'd like to begin with two fundamental questions. What is retinol and what makes it so fabulous?
Well, thank you, Karen. It's my pleasure to be here today. Now, retinol is a derivative of vitamin A. Now, our bodies do not naturally produce vitamin A, so we have to get it from the foods we eat. And it's considered critical for healthy cell development. Topical application of retinol can help maintain skin's integrity by supporting the natural production of collagen and elastin, along with improved cell turnover. Now, many dermatologists consider topical retinol to be the gold standard ingredient for both preventing and reversing the visible signs of aging. It's one of the most effective retinoids you can use without a doctor's prescription.
And how does it work exactly?
Well, one of the things that makes retinol so fabulous is its ability to improve the appearance of collagen-depleted skin. Now, collagen is a protein, also known as skin's building block. Collagen can diminish with age as well as from external factors like sun exposure. Replenishing this protein is critical to achieve younger-looking skin. In addition, retinol stimulates surface skin cell renewal, so skin appears more as it did when you were younger.
I understand this new line of products has been validated by an external advisory panel. Can you share with us more about that?
Absolutely, Karen. In developing the Clinical Solutions line of products, Mary Kay went above and beyond the normal process of safety and claims review, providing behind-the-scenes access to an external advisory panel of U.S. board-certified dermatologists to help validate the formula and ingredients. The panel includes dermatologists selected for their extensive skincare expertise, scholarship, and professional practice. When you see the dermatologist validated seal next to a Clinical Solutions product, you and your customers can be assured our external advisory panel has validated the products by conducting a thorough review and evaluation of clinical tests, data, and/or scientific support for the formula and ingredients.
Oh, that's awesome. Earlier you mentioned that retinol can help you achieve younger looking skin. Is retinol suitable for someone who is in their 20s and may not yet seen any signs of aging?
Absolutely, Karen, and I'm so glad you asked this. Retinol not only helps reverse visible signs of aging, but it also helps prevent signs of aging you can't see yet. You see, beginning in your early 20s, you produce approximately 1% less collagen in the skin every year. Collagen depletion continues forever unless something's done about it. Retinol is that something.
I see. So is Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 suitable for everyone?
Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 is recommended for men and women aged 20 and older.
And what about for women who are pregnant or currently nursing?
Mary Kay doesn't recommend retinol use for anyone who is pregnant, lactating, or planning to become pregnant. You'll also want to make sure it's kept out of reach of children.
Oh, that's important to know. Thank you for sharing that. Now, I would like to talk a little bit about clinical testing Mary Kay conducted on these new products. What can you share about the study results?
It's great that you asked because I'm so proud of this result. We tested Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 in an independent clinical study. After 8 weeks, the results were impressive. 100% of women experienced improvement in skin smoothness. 100% of women experienced improvement in skin radiance. In addition, the formula was shown to improve the appearance of wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and a loss of facial firmness.
Wow, 100% of women showing the results. It doesn't get any better than that. Now, one of the things that stands out about Retinol 0.5 is that new users who may be unfamiliar with the potency of pure retinol, they are advised to follow a special retinization process. Why is retinization process important?
Retinization is the adjustment period during which skin becomes acclimated to high concentration retinol. During this period, skin may experience temporary redness, dryness, and flaking. Once skin is retinized, these discomforts should disappear.
This set includes a second product, the Calm and Restore Facial Milk. Why is this needed?
Well, first-time users of high concentration retinol sometimes apply too much retinol to skin too soon. If skin has not been retinized, it may react by becoming red and flaky. The facial milk has been clinically shown to be both soothing and hydrating. To enjoy the benefits of retinol while minimizing the risk of discomfort, we recommend you blend 1 pump of Retinol 0.5 with Calm and Restore Facial Milk for your first 2 applications. This helps prime skin's moisture barrier at the moment of absorption and reduces the risk of irritation. This step is especially important for individuals who have dry or sensitive skin. As skin adjusts, gradually increase exposure by applying Retinol 0.5, followed by the Calm and Restore Facial Milk, and continue to follow with your normal moisturizer. Now you'll receive the full benefits of Retinol 0.5 while simultaneously helping to calm the skin.
I see. Now, how is Mary Kay retinization process different from what other brands often recommend?
Mary Kay's retinization process was developed in association with dermatologists to help ensure that customers of every age, ethnicity, and skin type can experience the benefits of retinol while minimizing the traditional discomfort that may occur. Now, by gradually increasing exposure in 2-week increments, your skin has time to adapt to the potency of this formula. You might see some brands recommend a more rapid retinization, where first-time users scale up quickly. This can result in irritation. First-time users might abandon a product that could, with a more gradual adjustment, deliver a positive result. Mary Kay's unique retinization program helps you maximize the results while minimizing potential discomfort.
Right. You mentioned that new users should continue to apply their normal moisturizer. Are there any particular moisturizers recommended during retinization?
So the Calm and Restore Facial Milk delivers essential benefits during the retinization period when skin is prone to increased dryness and the potential for discomfort, but it's not meant to replace your current moisturizer. You can follow your facial milk with any Mary Kay moisturizer.
Will users require extra sun protection during the retinization period?
I'm glad you brought this up because this is important. Retinol use may contribute to sun sensitivity, which is why we recommend applying Retinol 0.5 in the evening. During the day, it's recommended that you wear a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Because retinol use accelerates the turnover of new skin cells, it's important to wear a broad spectrum sunscreen when spending time outdoors. Otherwise, new sun damage may negate the benefits that pure potent retinol is delivering to your skin.
If a customer does experience redness or flakiness, how long does it typically last?
Well, because everyone's skin is unique, Karen, individual results may vary. Temporary redness, dryness, and flaking skin are common discomforts during the retinization period. Some users also report itchiness or mild tingling. Now, some new users may have all these symptoms at some point during the retinization period, while others may have no discomfort at all. At any time during the retinization process, If skin becomes uncomfortable, scale back the frequency of application until skin tolerance is improved.
Well, thank you. And before we close, are there any final thoughts that you would like to share?
Absolutely. I encourage everyone to have an effective skincare regimen first before adding retinol 0.5. Just as you wouldn't build a diet around only one ingredient, what you put on your skin should also reflect a balanced blend of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and peptides. I use the products, I love them, and I hope you will too.
Thank you, Dr. Gilday, and we are excited to launch this innovative set of products in our region indeed. We now have a much better understanding of this product. I thank you for sharing with us today.
Thank you, Karen. It's such a pleasure being here.
Thank you, Dr. Lucy and Karen, for the wonderful interview. I hope everyone learned some new things about this potent ingredient in our latest new product. Now, let's have our second quiz question. Please answer the question that will pop up on the screen. Just like the last time, the sales force that answers the fastest in each market will receive a prize. Time's up! The correct answer is C, is 8 weeks. Congratulations to the winners who answered the fastest. After hearing about the science behind retinol, are you ready to see what the usage results look like? Let's hear from the US independent sales force that experienced the retinization process.
Hello! Welcome to my bathroom!
I was a little nervous to try it at first.
Derma Cosmetics. I had never heard that before, but it makes sense.
I thought it was interesting that there's something that can actually reverse the signs of aging.
You're ready to turn 60, so I want everything to look tighter and younger looking. Yeah.
I'm really excited to get started. And as you can see, I have, like sunspots here.
I have lines that go across like this. I would love to see those get either go away totally or at least dissipate significantly.
So definitely watching this area here.
Pure retinol, an amazing ingredient that can amplify your skincare regimen. Mary Kay's retinization protocol gradually introduces your skin to the power of pure, high-concentration retinol, taking you through an innovative 8-week process unique to Mary Kay, designed to maximize your comfort.
Remember, your skin is an organ that's got many cell layers.
Watch as we follow this panel of Mary Kay independent sales force members through a 12-week study.
All right, place the center of your chin in there.
They will share their experiences using the retinization protocol with Mary Kay's retinol serum and calming facial milk.
The retinization process has helped to actually establish it as a journey, because you knew that there were benchmarks. I'm putting it here, and putting it here, and putting it here.
Forehead lines.
And that you weren't just waiting, little things were happening all along the way.
Because you've got the retinol, you really need to have that process that eases you into it.
At no time during the process did my skin, the itchiness or any of the tingling, was it unbearable. It just was a constant kind of like little hello throughout the day. Like, I'm working. Oh, okay.
So I've got my pea size of the retinol, and then this is the facial milk, and I'm going to dilute it with the pump.
I am combining this in the palms of my hands.
And then I'm going to put a dot on my forehead, on my nose, and on my chin, and one on each cheek. Okay?
So going up, avoiding the eye area.
I mean, I really wasn't sure what to expect, and it felt wonderful. It was silky, it was smooth.
That first day, my skin did feel a little bit dry.
I did have a little bit of flaking around the nose,
but that went away after like the next day or two.
I had a little bit of breakout here and here.
I did see a few like red splotches here, but no like tingling or pain or anything like that. It feels so soft. Like I've never had my skin feel this soft.
And then we have 1 week before we can use this again.
I've so wanted to use this every day, but I've been faithful. I waited a whole week.
I noticed my face was feeling a little, I guess kind of like chapped feeling right in here. I went and grabbed my facial milk and I was like, oh, I felt so good.
I had a little bit of peeling kind of in between my eyes and my nose area, maybe the edges of my nose. But I do know that I was not using the facial milk as much during that time. Once I started using it again, it cleared right up.
I did notice on this last application with just the straight retinol by itself that there was a little more tingling than the initial application.
And I did start to experience some flaking yesterday, kind of mostly around my mouth area here and then maybe in here a little bit.
I am noticing some really big changes. There's a line between my eyebrows that is disappearing.
And I woke up this morning with my face so smooth. This is no filters. This is in the raw, and I hope you can see it, but my skin is just looking awesome.
Holy cow. I had some brown spots right there. There was 3 of them clumped together. Those are gone. Those are totally gone.
So I found myself using the facial milk more often this week. I noticed a little more burning than the time before.
I'm just in awe with what my skin looks like. It's looking fabulous.
I was a little bit concerned thinking that, golly, 3 days in a row, I didn't know how my skin would, react to it, but there's been absolutely no issues at all.
7 or 8 people in the last few days say that my skin's glowing. I'm loving it. We're finally using it more than 1 or 2 times a week.
I'm a little tingling here and here, but love it. Love the way my skin feels all the time. The milk product soothes it just right. I love it. Love it, love it, love it.
I do feel like my skin has really gotten used to it.
Original and today. There's much less ruddy hit in here, and brighter.
I'm so thankful for the gradual introduction of the retinol that we did.
I've noticed that I have a little bit of dark spots and they appear to be lightening up some more, so I'm going to continue the use.
Did have a few dark spots. This product, the retinol, seems to be really helping to fade them fast. So I've definitely seen a significant improvement in them since I started using it.
Oh yeah.
I have started using my retinol treatment every day since Sunday. Loving it. Look at that skin. OMG. Look at this skin.
It's not really a burn, but it's kind of like a nice tingle, so you kind of know that it's working.
I've really been liking this facial milk step just because I feel like it's pampering and it's just that extra little hug at the end of the treatment to make you feel special.
I can really tell a difference in things like my makeup application.
2 flashes.
Just the skin texture itself.
Oh yeah.
How my makeup goes on, how it feels when it's finished.
So we are doing the retinol daily and I am super dry right now. So I've been using my facial milk on a daily basis every single morning and it's helped.
And I love the fact that this looks more perky, awake and alive.
I didn't love the very first of it. I have loved the past few weeks of this process. My skin just looks amazing. It just looked glowing, radiant, healthy, and I am just loving this product because of that.
I've had more people comment over the last couple of days of, what did you do different? Your skin looks amazing.
My daughter, like, Mom, your skin is really looking great.
I can definitely tell a difference.
I had lunch with a girl yesterday. All during lunch, she just kept telling me how great my skin looked, how great my skin looked. Wow, that's like a huge difference. Yay!
I think the calendar that we received was pivotal. If I didn't have that calendar, I wouldn't know how many times this week or what week I started. I know what week I'm on. I can see if I need to do 7 times, I need to do 5.
That's the first step.
This is going to align us with some of those cosmetic companies and or dermatologists that are using some advanced products that we haven't been able to supply to our customers.
So now I get to just apply a little bit of foundation to enhance my skin versus hiding my skin. So that is definitely a plus.
So I had somebody walk up to me at the grocery store and ask me, what did I use on my skin?
I know for sure the dark spots because I don't have to cover up as much, so that's a good thing.
Every single day my skin feels better than the day before. It feels firmer.
Wow.
It just really does. I could almost cry. This has been the best experience, and just absolutely love, love, love the way my skin looks and feels. Thank you. It's amazing. I'm so happy.
Sweet dreams to my face. So I guess I'll check you later. Bye.
Wow, I'm blown away by the results that the US independent sales force saw after going through just 8 weeks of the retinization process. Thank you everyone for joining today's virtual product launch. We hope you enjoyed it and understand our new innovative clinical solutions line better. See you all again soon. Take care. Bye bye.